we brought out all my cars to the canyons. Now, contrary to popular opinion, my favorite car is actually my slowest and cheapest car, my 1974 Carrera MFI. Now, luckily for you guys, today's video is about the most expensive and fastest car in my collection, my Carrera GT, which is quite possibly the world's greatest sounding car. Now, I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, but Mondi, what about the Lexus LFA? Here's two things I gotta tell you. First of all, never, ever compare a Lexus or a souped up Toyota to a Porsche. Not on my channel, at least. Secondly, the Lexus LFA clocked in at 103 decibels. My car, albeit it does have a modified exhaust and straight pipe exhaust system, but this car clocks in at 141 decibels. For reference, a fighter jet clocks in at 135. So this car is literally louder than a fighter jet. That's the most I'm gonna talk in this video. Sit down, grab some popcorn, and brace yourselves for the most godliest noises ever made on planet Earth.